This is a product review of Microban 24. I am reviewing this product because I go through many bottles of Microban in a single setting. When I teach, I spray everything down after I'm done. When I come into a new space, I spray everything down to make sure it's sanitized. When I am at home, I have 2 new kittens who like to get into everything, and I have an elderly dog, and I spray to keep the house germ-free. I also use this with all of my yoga products. Before I start to practice, I spray everything down, and when I'm done, I spray down again. I prefer this product because it evaporates fairly quickly. It doesn't leave a slick surface, so once you use it, you don't have to wait a long time for the product to dry before you move on. I can use it on multiple surfaces, and I love that it continues to kill germs for 24 hours. Having a product like this is important for sanitation reasons. As a teacher, it's important that all of my surfaces be sanitized and that my students feel confident about being around me and being around my equipment. It's also very important to keep an area germ-free because we're in the middle of a pandemic. It's important that people feel confident about not being around harmful germs or things that might make them sick. This does have a fragrance to it. All of the Microban products carry some sort of fragrance. But if you want to keep things sanitized and scent does not bother you, I would highly recommend using this product as much as possible in as many places as possible.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.